You have connected everything correctly, but you can't hear a sound. This may be because the HDMI cable is defective. The optical cable, SPDIF, is bent, or the transport protection caps have not yet been removed. Maybe the connected soundbar or stereo system is defective or switched off. Maybe a wrong input source has been selected on the soundbar or stereo system. Did you select the correct sound settings in the menu of the TV set? Prior to connecting two devices via HDMI, both devices must be switched off. You want to play a video file on a TV, but you can't hear any sound. This may be because the associated audio format is not supported by the media player of the TV set. You wanted to play a video file on your notebook or PC, but you can't hear any sound. This may be because the correct drivers have not been installed, or the HDMI port has not been defined as an audio player. Here's a summary of how to fix the problem of your MEDION device. Have you checked the cables? Does the soundbar or amplifier work, and is it switched on? Did you choose the right input? Did you select the correct sound settings? Are all necessary drivers installed? If you need more information on our service, check our service homepage or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and the MEDION community.